The pressure within. Blood pressure is the force of blood pushing against the walls of your arteries. Every heartbeat creates pressure as blood is pumped from your heart. This pressure ensures that blood reaches every cell in your body. When the pressure is too high, it's like rush hour traffic jamming the highways. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is important for overall health. Causes of high blood pressure. High blood pressure often develops over many years. It can be caused by many things, some within our control and others we cannot control. Genes play a role. If you have a family history of high blood pressure, you are at an increased risk. This doesn't mean you're destined to develop it, but it does mean you should be extra careful about your choices in life that affect blood pressure. A diet high in sodium, saturated fat, and cholesterol can contribute to high blood pressure. Lack of exercise, a lot of weight, and excessive alcohol also increases your chances of developing high blood pressure. Certain medical conditions can also lead to high blood pressure. These include kidney disease, thyroid disease, and lack of sleep. Some medications, such as birth control pills and decongestants found in some cough and cold medications, can also raise blood pressure. Understanding the causes of high blood pressure will enable you to make good changes. By taking care of what you can fix, you can reduce your chances of getting high blood pressure. Blood pressure testing. Checking your blood pressure is a simple, painless procedure. It's a very important part of daily medical checkups and can also be done at home with a home blood pressure monitor. During a blood pressure test, cuff is wrapped around your upper arm. The cuff is pumped to temporarily stop blood flow in your arm. As the air is slowly released, a stethoscope placed over your arm allows your healthcare provider to listen for the sounds of blood flow. The results are recorded as two numbers. The top number, called systolic pressure, measures the pressure in your arteries when your heart beats. The bottom number, called diastolic pressure, measures the pressure in your arteries when your heart rests between beats. Blood pressure readings are categorized into 4 categories: normal, elevated, stage 1 hypertension, and stage 2 hypertension. Your healthcare provider will tell you the meaning of your blood pressure readings and discuss any changes or medical treatments. Risks of high blood pressure. High blood pressure is often called a silent killer because it typically doesn't cause noticeable symptoms. However, this silent threat can have serious problems for your health if left uncontrolled. Over time, high blood pressure damages your arteries. This damage makes your arteries more likely to harden and narrow, a condition known as atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis increases your risk of heart attack, stroke, and other heart problems. High blood pressure also puts extra stress on your heart. This can lead to heart failure, a condition in which your heart can't pump blood effectively. Untreated high blood pressure can also damage your kidneys, eyes, and brain. The longer high blood pressure goes not controlled, the more the damage to your body. Early finding and taking care are important to preventing these life-threatening complications. Lifestyle changes for lower blood pressure. The good news is that you can take control of your blood pressure through lifestyle changes. These changes not only help lower your blood pressure, but also improve your overall health. Diet plays an important role in managing blood pressure. Adopt a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Reduce your intake of sodium or salt, saturated fat, and cholesterol. The DASH, or dietary approaches to stop hypertension. Diet is an effective eating plan that stresses these dietary changes. Regular physical activity is important for heart health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Activities like brisk walking, swimming, cycling, and dancing can help lower blood pressure and improve heart fitness. Stress management techniques such as deep breathing exercises, meditation. See a video on this channel below 9 proven ways to calm your mind and reduce stress. Getting enough sleep, maintaining a healthy weight, and limiting alcohol consumption are also helpful. Medications and more. In some cases, lifestyle modifications alone may not be enough to control blood pressure. Your healthcare provider may recommend medications to lower your blood pressure and reduce your risk of complications. There are various types of blood pressure medications, each working differently. Diuretics help your body eliminate excess sodium in water. Beta blockers reduce your heart rate and the force of your heartbeat. Calcium channel blockers, ACE inhibitors, and ARBs relax your blood vessels, making it easier for blood to flow. Your healthcare provider will determine the most appropriate medication or combination of medications based on your individual needs and medical history. It's crucial to take your medications as prescribed and to attend regular follow-up appointments. Remember that medications are most effective when combined with healthy lifestyle changes. Continue to prioritize a healthy diet, regular exercise, stress management, and other lifestyle modifications. Monitoring and managing your blood pressure. Monitoring your blood pressure is crucial, especially if you have been diagnosed with hypertension or are at risk. Regular checking and writing the results down helps you and your healthcare provider track your progress and make necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. Home blood pressure monitors are readily available and easy to use. Check your blood pressure at the same time each day, keeping a record of your readings. Share these readings with your healthcare provider at your appointments. If you notice any significant changes in your blood pressure readings, contact your healthcare provider immediately. Don't try to adjust your medications or treatment plan on your own. Managing your blood pressure is a lifelong commitment. By staying vigilant, following your treatment plan, and making healthy lifestyle choices, you can significantly reduce your risk of complications and live a long, healthy life. Your priority. Seek professional guidance. Understanding blood pressure and its implications is essential for everyone. High blood pressure is a serious condition, but it's manageable with the right information and care. If you have any concerns about your blood pressure, don't be afraid to talk to a healthcare professional. They can assess your risk factors, perform a blood pressure test, and provide personalized way on managing your blood pressure. Remember, your health is your priority. By taking first steps to monitor and manage your blood pressure, you're investing in your long-term well-being. Take control of your health today. I have included a link that you can use to order for a journal where you can record your daily blood pressure readings. Remember to take it to your doctor's office during your appointment. This will give your healthcare provider a clear understanding of your blood pressure readings. Schedule an appointment with your healthcare provider and start your journey towards a healthier heart and a healthier you. Like, subscribe, and share this video.